It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. I'm just cooking, making some food here. I like to eat healthy food. Healthy food. I'm just having some breakfast here. Early morning, beautiful early morning. Just want to show you this food I'm cooking. Just sharing this to encourage somebody somewhere around the world or locally, nationally, regionally, continentally, globally. My name is SIMBA. I live in Halifax. My name is SIMBA in Halifax from Kenya. And I just do simple things to encourage people and to motivate people, to inspire people to be good human beings. I just share lots of stories on my videos here on this channel, and you can like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to. I also share information, just stories on Facebook, and I think it also goes to Instagram and other social media, because I just like to encourage young people and to encourage present generations and future generations to be amazing, good human beings. I am just a normal, ordinary person, just a human being, just like anybody else. And I was raised in Africa, East Africa, in Kenya, Bomet County, Konoin constituency, Boito Wood, Kibera village, Kibera farm community, right next at Cap Tebingwet community, and Kamagomon, Koiwa, and that area, the whole area, close to Mau Forest, next to the British farm Unilever. I think it's changed its name now. It used to be called Brookborn and it became Unilever. And next to African Island, which is a Scottish farm, same as the Scottish people, New Scotland, Nova Scotia, where I live in here in Halifax now, Nova Scotia province of Canada, North America. And also neighbors in the community in Kenya is Barack Obama's community, which is the Luo community, kind of relatives of my community. We are all Nilots. And then this Maasai community, close to Masai Mara, where all the animals, the wild animals, lions, giraffes, good human beings, cultural, very cultural, and just good nature, a lot of good nature around Masai Mara and around Kenya, which is, there's also a small community called the Kisi that are very good in business. We call them Kamama, or our uncles and aunties, and their neighbors. And next to it is a big forest called Mau Forest, which is like the Amazon of Africa. It's where we get to one of the main sources. I think it's the main source of the river Nile that comes from around that area. Barack Obama's community is right next to our community, his father's community, that is. And they live in close to a lake called Nyasa, which is means the lake that overflows, or the pond that overflows, or something like that. And it's now called Lake Victoria, and it's right there where Kenya meets Uganda and Tanzania, and is shared, I think, by the three countries or something like that. Fresh water is becoming very rare in the world, very, very rare, because a lot of human activity, a lot of human pollution, and a lot of greed and corruption, and a lot of things that go on in humanity. Plus just natural occurrences, what we call global warming, changes in weather patterns, and just resetting of seasons and things like that. I don't know if human beings can have an effect somehow, probably, in in making the world a better place. I think so. I think it's possible just by doing little simple things that make humanity better and make family better and make life experience better for ourselves, for yourself, for ourselves, and for myself, and for just all people and all humanity. Because I'm a big believer, I'm a humble big believer that we are just one big human family. So anyways, I'm just chatting with you as I make this food. I used to cook a lot. I used to make food for the homeless and share food with about maybe 10 people per day. I used to do that a lot. And then I ran into some issues here in the house I'm staying. The people were complaining that SIMBA was making food for the homeless. So they didn't want me to use the kitchen or cook. They didn't want me to use the washer. They didn't want SIMBA to use the washer, use the kitchen, use the corridor, use the backyard, use the front of the door of the house. Is I don't know where they want SIMBA to be or whatever. I didn't experience this. It happens in this house a lot. There's like about 8 of us here. Most of them are from very, very rich families, very, very rich parents, doctors and professionals and people that are very rich and well off in various ways. My parents are just simple farmers, very simple family. My mom is a farmer with a small farm in Kenya, and I come from a very simple, humble family background. So when I came to this house, I seemed like the odd one out. It's like I'm from a very simple background, and I live a very simple life, and I help very simple people called the homeless, that people that are unwanted in society. So, and then I happened, as you can see, I'm from Africa, East Africa. My name is SIMBA in Halifax from Kenya. So in North America, people that look like me are considered black people, and black people are not treated as human beings in Halifax or in Nova Scotia or in general in North America and other parts of the world that are dominated by people of certain other cultures. It's Mother Teresa called the people that are suffering. The people that are suffering, she called them the unwanted. She said they are unwanted by society, and she said the unwanted people are the most precious. So the most precious in humanity. And she was religious. She was Catholic, and she said also to God they are the most precious of all humanity. The unwanted people are the most precious in all humanity, and to God of all humanity. That's what she said. You can read her book. I have a book here. It's called My Life for the Poor. I'm just making some beef stew here, and some potato. It's a mixture of potato stew, just like some kind of mixed vegetables. So I make this. I would usually make this, something like this, and portion it for myself for a couple of meals, and then I would portion it for maybe 10 or so homeless people. I don't do that anymore. I don't do that anymore. See, it's just a lot of too much. I don't want to. It's part of humanity, but just not interested in dealing with jealousy and racism and people that are just unreasonable. They're there. I don't pay attention to them. So I just find other things to do that are amazing. There's so many amazing things that one can do in this world. I can pick papers on the streets that are just make the environments better, because I'm retired now. I am like in my 70s, I think, and heading to 80s. So so I'm retired. I'm like I need to add this a little bit, just a second. I'm retired, so I'm actually a grandparent of my nieces and nephews, and I have my own children that are still doing well and growing up. And I'm the youngest in the family, so my elder brothers and sisters have children, and their children have grandchildren. So I'm a grandparent, and I'm a parent, and so I just do my own thing, my own simple thing in my own simple way. Just trying to. Hello, Max.
Hello.
Yeah, just trying to contribute towards making this world a much better place for my own, whichever way possible. So this is just simple things that I do. Everyone has their own way of doing their own things in their life, in the world, depending on how they were raised and how they choose to be as a human being. So it's a beautiful day outside. I'll just go show you outside. I'm done with this cooking. I don't want to stay here too long. It's just gotta respect all the other roommates and let them do their thing too. So, and so I'll just go show you how it is outside. I'll take this upstairs, get it out of the way first. I'll show you how it is outside. It's beautiful outside. It's a nice. Oh, let me do that first. Turn this off. I'll go show you what it looks like outside. My keys in case my roommates lock me out. And it's a nice day. That's what I share with you. It's a beautiful, nice day. You can see the snow. It's a wonderful day. Each and every moment of life is beautiful and so precious, so precious. Recently, I've been facing a lot of I don't know what it is. It's like just people following SIMBA around the community and stuff like that. Just like it's interesting. Some of them look like plainclothes police officers. Some of them probably just random people and stuff. I don't know. It's just fascinating, just seeing what goes on in human society and stuff like that. It's just so fascinating. Anyways, so it's a beautiful morning. I just want to share this with you. See, I don't know. I'll clean that a little bit. Maybe you can see it better. You can see the sunrise there. The sun is so beautiful. It's just so sunny there. See, it's a beautiful morning, and it's just amazing just seeing how the community is in the sunshine, and how lovely it is outside, and just how amazing it is to be able to just have a simple, just my vehicle here, just air it out a little bit. Just check on it. I have not used it. It's like, it just sits here. Just repairing it slowly. It's an old vehicle. Someone just sold it to me for a good price, and I just use it too. I love local. See, I love local Halifax, and I love local community, local just support community and stuff. So I try to just live a very simple life and just do what I can to be a good human being in whichever way I can. In the almost 70 years and going to 80 years I've been on this planet. So everyone has their own thing. And just checking there just to see how I air the vehicle out a little bit. I don't move it yet, so just repair it, just air it a little bit. You can see the snow here. I just want to show you this. See the snow is turning into ice, eh? See that? It's turning into ice. So it's like tough ice and stuff like that. But this one on this side is still soft, I think, because it's close to the sunshine, so it's softer. It's softer snow. See, you can see the soft snow. It smells when you touch it. See, just for the people that are in warmer countries and have not experienced snow. I gotta go in so I stay warm, and then I take the soup upstairs. It's beautiful. Just want to show you here. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can see that for yourself. It's a beautiful place. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful morning. I poked some holes on this snow here just so that it can melt quickly, easily, and ease off. You can see the plants are still green inside. It's amazing how they remain green inside the cold snow. Fascinating how nature works. Anyways, let's go inside and stay warm. And just have some of that soup. Welcome home. So home, if you learn to visit, anyone who wants to visit is welcome to visit. Same as Kenya. If anyone wants to visit Kenya, you're welcome to visit my mom in Kenya. Her name is Mary. She's about in her 90s, going to 100. Into about 100 years. See, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful life experience. Just to be a good human being, you don't have to be like super rich, multi-billionaire, trillionaire, whatever. You can just enjoy very simple things in life and share some kindness within the community. That's how my parents raised me. Everything was so delicious. So delicious.